Hello my dear student, welcome to Nagesh Karasge Orchid School channel. Myself Hina Patel going to teach you 7th grade mathematics. Already we had started with some expressions and the value of its variable. Just by substituting it we are finding the values. Today we will have some more simplification sums related to that expression. So, one by one we will start solving when the values of an variable is given to us and how to find its value of an expression. So, here we are having some example of a simplification. Simplify these expressions and find its values. If x is equal to 3, a is equal to -1 and b is equal to -2. Here we are having a 3 different variables and the 3 different values, but in the expression we have only one variable. So, we have to see the value of only one variable. If we are having in a expression 2 values of a variable, we have to substitute 2 values then. Here we will see one example here, 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. What is the x here? In this we are having as x is equal to 3. So, we have to write as the value of x here is 3. So, now we had seen many examples. So, we can do it orally too. So, we have to multiply this 3 into x is 3 3s are 9 minus 5, then minus 3 is nothing but and given expression is plus 9. So, by substituting this value we can find out, but before this we can see there are some like terms. The like terms we have to first find out the like terms and then we have to substitute the values. Here we are having the 2 like terms are 3x and minus x. Get together, that is 3x minus x is 2x and minus 5 and plus 9 both are numerical. So, we will write together is plus 4. So, now you can substitute the value of an x, that is 3, 3 2s are 6 plus 4 is 6 plus 4 is 10. So, which is an required, which is required. So, in this way we are simplifying the given expression by substituting the value of it. Here we will see one more example, 2 minus 8x plus 4x plus 4. This is an expression where you will find a like terms. We will write together as the like terms is minus 8x and 4x. So, it will be minus 4x. We are writing together plus numerical values we are having, that is 4, 2 plus and 4 plus, plus 4 plus 2. So, here minus 8x plus 4x will be minus 4x plus 2 plus 4 is 6. So, now in this expression which we had simplified, now we can put the value of x and we can find the required. So, what is x? Here is 3. So, minus 4 into 3, here is printing mistake, plus 6, plus 6. So, minus 3 and 4 is 12, 12 plus 6 is minus 12 plus 6. So, 12 minus 6 is 6 and it is greater number sign, it is minus 6. So, in this way we can find out the values of it. Now, we are having some expressions where is given the values, expression is given with a variable as a. Same step we have to follow, but we know the value of a is minus 1. So, we will try to solve this expression. So, you will understand how to write step by step. So, the expression we will write as a 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1, where a is given to us as minus 1. It is already given in the question. So, just we have to first find out the like terms. We will write together the like terms as 3a minus 8a. Then what are the numerical? These are the numerical. So, we will write as plus 5 plus 1. You can solve this, you can solve this. So, 8 minus 3 is 5, but greater number is minus. So, we write as a minus 5a. Now, plus 5 plus 1 is plus 6. Now, you can substitute the value of a here in this expression. So, what will be here? Minus 5. What is the value of a is? Minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 plus 6. Now, you know minus into minus is plus, 5 ones are 5 plus 6. So, 5 plus 6 is 11. This is what we required, is the value is 11. So, after substitute value of minus a, before that we had collected the like terms together and we are try to solve it step by step, and so we get a value of an given expression where here the a was given to us as a minus 1. We will see some more example related to this where the value of b is given to us. So, here we have a expression as b 2a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 plus a. I will write here a is equal to b is equal to, here already it is given in the question the values of a and b. We will see here what is the value of a is minus 1 and b is equal to minus 2. So, we will try to solve this example. The value of 2a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 plus a. Now, what we will do here? First, we will collect the like terms. We will collect the like terms. Here is 2a plus a. We are having b here, we do not have any other b. So, we will write as a minus 2b. We are having here some numerical. So, we can solve here this numerical as minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9. Now, this after solving 2a plus a we get as a 3a minus 2b minus 9. Now, this is an expression you have got just by substituting the value of a and b which is given to us. We will try to solve here. So, 3 into a is minus 1 minus 2, b is given as minus 2 minus 9. We will solve this. This is our operation which is given to us. We will solve this. So, here is 3 ones are 3, it is minus. So, we write as minus 3. Here we are having minus into minus is plus, 2 2s are 4, and this is as it is as minus 9. Now, you can do the pairing of this. One is plus, one is minus, so subtract the number. So, it will be 1, here is plus. So, we no need to write as plus 1, here will be minus 9. So, 9 minus 1 is 8, greater number is minus. So, our required, what we required is at minus 8. So, in this way we had substituted the values of two variables, that is a and b, which was given in an example question only. So, we had tried to solve this. Here we are having some other example where we are considering as an z. If z is equal to 10, find the value of z square minus 3, z minus 10. Just we have to use here also an property of a distribution, that is 3z minus into minus is plus 30, that will be minus 3z plus 30. Just to put the value of z which is given to us as a 10, because in the question only it is given as a 10. So, putting the value of that is 10 square minus 3 into 10 plus 30. So, 1000 is the square of 10 minus 30 plus this both get cancelled. So, we will get as an 1000, which is very similar that what we had seen multiple examples with different variables and the different values. Similarly, we are having the second example if the p is equal to minus 10. So, p is equal to minus 10, same we have to substitute the value of a p as an minus 10. So, by putting the value of a p as directly as a minus 10, we have to try to solve it. Now, simplify the expressions and to find the value, and when the a is equal to 5 and the b is equal to minus 3. Same way the expression is given to us, just we have to first write use the distributive property and find out the solution of this. It is 2a square plus 2ab minus 2ab plus 3. What we had done? We had collected AB together as in like terms. But after getting the expression, we are putting the value of a is equal to 5 and the b is equal to minus 3. Now, only we had seen example of a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to minus 2. Similar way, you have to substitute the value and you have to try to find out the answer. Now, here we are having some patterns. You can see already, I think so in the previous class we had done with the mathematics the patterns. So, observe the patterns of and digits made from the line segments of an equal length. You will find such segments digits on the display of an electronic watches or a calculator. When you are small, you were finding out this type of in the what we say in the watches electronics, that is 66 is written in that. Some digital clocks we are having in some offices, we find the such type of an pattern which the numbers are written. This is, you can see this is a 6, when it is written as 66 it will look like in this way. When we write 666 it will look like in this way. Here what it is, then 6 and 11 and 16, you might be thinking the teacher is explaining something here and it is written as, yes, you are right, here is a 6 ticks are required. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here we required 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Here we required 16. We will see some examples, so it will be more easy. The number of line segments required to form a n digits in a given by a expression. N digit means we do not know the number of digits. N is a natural number, we do not know that it may be infinite. Suppose we want to find out for this pattern. So, is equal to 5n plus 1. For 5 figures, the numbers of line segments is equal to 5 multiplied by 5 plus 1 is equal to 25 plus 1 is equal to 26. If we want such type of a pattern as 5 times, so how many sticks or how many segments will be required to form a 5 times a pattern, like a segment like a 6 is required 26 segment. So, in this way we are having some another example also. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 segments are required, here also 4, and when we attach another here same segment we required 7, then we require 10. So, what will be the formula, how we can find out, as when you want a similar pattern as a 4 like a segment in the digital clock, we require here is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the formula is 3n plus 1, n may be a number, any natural number, the values of any plus 1. So, for 5 figures the 5n, the 5 figures means it is a 5n number of figures you required. So, it is for 5n. So, what will be this? 3 multiplied by 5 plus 1. So, 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. 16 segments will be required. For preparing this type of a pattern, here is we are having 1, here we are having 2, here we are having 3, here we will go for such many patterns. So, we are using the formula, that is 3n plus 1, 3n plus 1. So, to form an pattern, if we want a 10 pattern very similar, so we require same formula, use it, and in the place of n you write as 10. So, 10 3s are 30 plus 1 means you required 31 segments to form or such type of a pattern. So, this is what just we had find out, that if you want to find out the number of patterns, you have to use as a formula as n, which will be the number of pattern. Here you are seeing that it is nothing but digital 8. Here how many segments are required, we will see here. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here this is 4, 5, 6 and 7 segments are required. So, we write as a 5n plus 2, 5n plus 2, we are having here the 2 sets. So, for 5 figures, the number of a line numbers is equal to 5 multiplied by 5 plus 2. So, it will be 27, 5 5s are 25 plus 2 is 27. If we want to go for the pattern of a 10, so n is equal to 10. So, 5 into 10 is 50 plus 2, we required 52 line segment to form this type of a continuous pattern. So, in this way, by using the formula, we can find out the number of line segment required to form a number of patterns. If we want to find 100 such type of a pattern, continue the 100. So, how many line segment will be required? Just we have to use the formula, it's 5 into 100, that is 500 plus 2 is 502. So, in this way we had find out the pattern of a digital like 8, which required a segment, and how many segment will be required to find out how many number of pattern. So, in this way we had tried to find out. Now, we are having some expressions and the terms. Use the given algebraic expressions to complete the table of a number pattern. Already we had seen the number pattern. Now, you might be thinking which type of which number, how many numbers of a pattern you have to find out. Here all expressions are given: 2n minus 1, 3n plus 2, 4n plus 1, 7n plus 20, n square plus 1. Here to find out one pattern, if you has a n is equal to 1 means it is a one pattern. So, how many line segments will be required for this? So, here we are having some solution for this. So, given expression is 2n minus 1. For n is equal to 100, here already they had given that values, they had find out, just we have to find out the value of n 100, which is here empty. So, when n is equal to 100, just we have to substitute the value of n as n 100. So, it is 200 minus 1, so 199. What will be here? Will be 199. Similarly, here we will use 3n plus 2. Here we have to find out a fifth term. We have to find out fifth term. So, what will be the n? N will be the 5. 5 multiplied by 3 is 15 plus 2 is 17. So, here we will require a 17. Here in the given expression 3n plus 2, if n is equal to 5, we will require 17. If n is equal to 10, we will require 32, and n is equal to 100, we require 302. This is the pattern. Already the expression is given, so it will be more easy to find out the value. We will see 1-2 examples here on the board, so it will be easy for you to understand. So, we will try to solve some example on the board. We will go for and third expression, that 4n plus 1, where n is given to us as n9. If number of patterns we require as n is equal to 9. So, 4 multiplied by 9 plus 1, 9 4s are 36 plus 1 is 37. So, in that tabular form we have to write as an 37. Here when n is equal to 9. Here when we required n is equal to 100, n is equal to 100. So, what we will be this? Again the value of n will be changing and we will write as n is equal to 100. So, we will write as 4 into 100 plus 1, here will be 400 plus 1 is 401. So, in this way step by step we have to complete the table. We had taken one expression was 4n plus 1. Now, we will go for another expression and it is given as a 7n plus 20. The number of pattern we have to follow is 5. The expression is 7n plus 20, where number of pattern we have to prepare is a 5. So, what we will write in the place of n we will write 5. So, 7 into 5 plus 20, you know this is 35 plus 20 is equal to 55. So, we require 55 line segments to complete this pattern, where number of patterns will be n is equal to 5, that is nothing but number of patterns as 5. Here the same expression, but number of patterns will be different, as suppose we will go for 10. So, n is equal to 10. So, number of pattern is how much? 10. So, 7 into 10 plus 20. You know 7 10 times is 70 plus 20 is equal to 90. So, just we have to find the similar patterns. Number of patterns which required is given to us, that we have to find out. If we want a number of patterns as 100, what will number of segments required? Here it will change as 100, here will be 700. So, here we will get as an 720. So, I had showed you number of pattern as a 5, as a number of pattern as a 10, as the number of pattern as a 100, which we have to, if we want to prepare, so number of segments we require. Now, we are having as n square plus 1. Number of pattern we require n is equal to 5. So, what will be here is nothing but 5 square plus 1. 5 square is 5 2 times, it is not 5 2s are, it is 5 2 times. So, 5 5s are 25. So, you will write here as 25 plus 1 is equal to 26. It is not a 5 2, 5 multiplied by 2. So, it will be 26. If we want n is equal to 10, so here the steps will change. In the place of n we will write as 10 square plus 1. 10 square is 100. Again I will say it is 10 into 10. 100 plus 1 is 101. So, in this way you have to find out the values of n number of patterns which are given to us, and we have to see here by filling this, we have to find out, by solving this we have to fill this tabular form. Here we are having the many expressions we had solved here with a tabular form. So, putting this value as an n square, I had showed you 7n plus 20, I had showed you, just to we have to put the value of n as 5. So, what number of line segment is required, that we have to write. That is value of n as 10, how many line segments we required, just in the different expressions we required a different patterns are there. So, we have a different expressions and number of what we say number of segment required or number of patterns we have to prepare is also different. Here in the table it is showed that if to prepare a one pattern we required how many number of segments. Here to prepare a 3 pattern as a 2n minus 1 we required 5 segment. By substituting the values here, that is n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4, n is equal to 5, n is equal to 10 and n is equal to 100. In similar way, we have to find out for the another expression that n plus 2, again we will substitute the value as n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3 and we have to find out the step. Many what we say terms are given to us, just we have to find some terms which are given to us. Here is 5th, 10th and 100th term. So, in this way we had substituted the values and we have tried to find out the values of it. So, in this way we had completed this one tabular form, which were the patterns what we had learned. Again I will say these are the different patterns which will look like a digital 6, which the equation expression is 5n plus 1, then another pattern which look like a 4 as a digital 4 whose expression is given as n 3n plus 1. So, number of patterns we required, we write the number of values and we will find out the number of sticks. Here one more pattern where 5n plus 2, that is 7, here we are required 7 sticks. So, we have a 5n plus 2, the putting the value of n we can find out the patterns and the number of line segment required to prepare a number of patterns. If you prepare a number of patterns as a 10, so you have to multiply with a 10 and we will find how many number of sticks or how many number of line segments are required. This you can do the one activity with the help of an matchbox. Just you can take the matchbox and you can find out different types of, already I had explained 3 patterns, 3 different types of patterns and you can calculate the number of patterns and number of sticks required for your activity. So, this will be more easy when you go practically. When you go practically, it will be more easy for you after doing activity. So, this will be just easiest part, you know now expression, how to write an expression for a given pattern which will look, already I had to describe 3 digital patterns, that is looking like 6, looking like 4 and looking like 8 as an digital numbers. So, by writing a number of patterns and number of sticks with an expression, you can find out the number of sticks required for your pattern. Hope so my dear students, you have understood this chapter, that is very simple, that is algebraic expression. Just we have to know the expression and find out the values of required expression. Thank you very much.